Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Pokémon TCG Pocket error code 102-002-007 first. Disconnect your VPN if you're using one. The game has region-specific servers, and VPNs often trigger authentication errors. After turning it off, relaunch the game and check if it works. If the issue continues, reset your network connection. Turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Open the game again to see if the problem is resolved. Still not working? Switch your internet connection. Turn off Wi-Fi and use mobile data instead, since some Wi-Fi networks may have temporary restrictions or caching issues. Next, ensure your Pokémon TCG Pocket app is fully updated. Go to the Google Play Store, Android, or App Store, iPhone, search for the game and install any available updates. Updates often fix login and authentication bugs. If none of these steps help, the issue might be on Pokémon servers. They could be down temporarily for maintenance or updates. In that case, simply wait for an hour or two and try again later. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.